All right, so looking back at the footage, I was on actual this game. I wasn't counting and keeping track of anything at all. I was like everywhere with the score. Damn, I just can't count for real. I guess it must be something because the other team won a long time ago, but we still kept playing. And I'm not gonna lie, it was really me and my homeboy Doug. We were both on some questionable threes counted as twos instead of ones, and I guess the score was changing back and forth. It was just kind of a mess for real, but it is what it is. We didn't really win for real, but we thought we did at first.
All right. All right. Game 16. 16. 15. 15. Ones and twos.
Okay. Switch.
Oh.
Oh yeah, good Euro. That board. That board.
Okay
That board. One up. Good shot. 2-1. That's 3-2.
Hey!
One.
Hey.
I thought so too, bro.
3 up.
Hey!
4-3.
Hey!
Alright, my bad. I'm locked.
5-3.
My bad, Ant.
Hey.
What?
Over 2 people, bro?
Bobby.
Come on, bro. What's the points?
7-3.
You good?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Oh!
One more.
What? Is that
What? How do you get bro?
Oh, what the
Can we get
What the? Yo,
You found me.
from one hand to the next.
That's off.
Ooh.
Nah. Hell no.
Yo.
Hell no. Hell no.
Gang is Sharvin, gang. He's lying.
Sharvin, on God.
Shoot for that.
Bang, bottom line. Oh. Damn. What's that, 9?
9, we got 5.
9-5? Let me get on 8. Let me guard up.
We the nigga with the points, bro. We're not getting
Oh. What the?
All the way.
He went for that.
Oh my God. He's crazy. Oh my God. No. What?
That's a steal.
That's a steal.
Everything, including steal. That's two, but okay.
Correct.
Shoot it.
What?
I ain't gonna lie.
10-5. He got that, bro.
Yes.
11-5.
Oh, damn, you should have went up.
I'm here.
Bobby.
Pass it out. Oh, that's so.
11-6. Defense. Oh my goodness. Good block. Oh, what the? Get in there.
Wow. Damn. And one.
11-8.
Look.
11-9. Come on. Damn. No way. Ah, crazy.
That's them. Ah! That's 13. 13-9.
Yeah, 13-10.
Nah, 13-9. I think you smile. That's 13-9. Y'all ain't scored since.
13-9. Yo, somebody.
Let's go.
16, huh? You going to 16?
Nah, we going to 15, ain't it? It was 15. They said 15. We could do 16.
What we got, 14?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah,
10.
10-14.
Okay, never mind.
Oh my God.
Gas, bro.
You want me to guard him?
Yes, we
Are you? Nah. He was on his pivot. That's a 2. That's a 2. Nah.
That's a 3. He looked at his feet, removed the one that was on the line, and shot that. That's crazy. That's crazy. The line and went.
Gang, you was like
14-13, bro. Come on. 14-13.
He intentionally removed his feet like that, and you looked at the.
Yeah, that was a 2. That was a 2. 14-13. 14-13. We got.
Bro.
that point don't count, gang. You 20, gang. You 20. We not shooting off the backboard, gang. That don't count.
Nah, literally. Demon.
Damn, bro.
On God.
Backboard.
We don't do backboard.
Don't do that.
Hey, remember that.
I am, bro. I am, bro.
Remember the backboard. Remember that.
What?
Damn, bro.
That boy.
I got it though.
Got it.
14-13. Yo.
No way.
Backboard. That's not even game though, bro. At 15-15.
All right.
He's not coming.
Hey, bro.
Nah, he's not.
I had to put the team on my back, bro. I had like at least 10 points.
It's not in here?
Had at least 10 points. I had to put the team on my back for the win.
Yeah, for the win, my we got fried, but at the end of the day, it was still good hoops. So, till next time.